Good morning, students. How are you? I'm sure you all are fine. Today we are going to learn EVS lesson number 8, topic Let's Dress Up. Now, children, I would like to request you that take out your EVS book, page number 45. It is cold winter day. Jay wants to go out to play. Mama said, wear something warm. It is cold outside. Yes, children, we have to wear something warm because in winter season it is very cold outside. Clothes cover our bodies and protect them from heat, cold, rain, dust, germs, and insects. Yes, children, our body needs protection from this thing. That's why we have to wear clothes. Now, children, you can see in this picture, according to our gender, we have to wear dress. For example, boys wear pant, t-shirt, shorts, and girls wear skirt, frock, salwar, suit, etc. Now, turn the page. Clothes are important. We need to wear clothes. Clothes cover our body and protect them from heat, cold, rain, dust, germs, and insects, like I explain you. Summer, winter, rainy season are the three main seasons. Summer is hot and winter is cold. It is rains during the rainy season. We will read more about this season later in this book. Yes, children, main three seasons are there: summer, winter, and rainy season. In summer season, you will feel hot. In winter season, you will feel cold. And in rainy season, it's rain during rainy season. Now, according to the season, we wear different clothes. Let's see. Summer season, we wear light clothes. Winter season, we wear heavy clothes. And in rainy season, we take umbrella, we wear raincoat and gumboots. Now, different clothes. We wear light cotton clothes when it is hot. Such clothes keep the body cool. We get cotton from the cotton plant. This cotton is used to make cotton clothes. Yes, children, we get cotton from cotton plants. After that, cotton clothes made. So, we wear cotton clothes, light clothes in summer season because it keeps our body cool. Now, second, we wear thick woolen clothes when it is cold. Such clothes keep the body warm. They protect from the cold. We get wool from animals such as sheep, camel, goat, and yak. Yes, children, it is very important to wear woolen clothes when it is cold because this kind of clothes keep our body warm. And from where we get this kind of clothes? Yes, we get from sheep, camel, goat, and yak. Now, summertime. You can see the summer dresses, shirts, shorts, summer socks, sunglasses, shoes, cap, etc. Now, like you can see, it is a cotton plant where cotton is there. After that, we make cotton clothes from cotton plants that keep the body cool. Now, it is a dress of winter season. In winter season, we wear muffler, cap, sweater, jacket, etc. Now, third season, we wear a raincoat or carry an umbrella when it is rain. They are made up of waterproof material that protect us from getting wet. We also wear gum boots during heavy rains. These are special shoes that help us to walk on muddy and wet ground during or after the rain. Yes, children, when it is rainy season, we used to carry umbrella, and when it is raining, we used to wear raincoat and gum boots and to walk on muddy and wet ground. You can see the boy. He is wearing raincoat, carry umbrella. The raincoat is waterproof material. Now, people also wear special uniforms according to their work. According to their work, people wear special uniform. Yes, children, some special clothes. This is Dia's aunt Tina. Can you tell the profession of the person in the picture from her dress? Like Aunt Tina, there are other people who wear special clothes or uniform according to their work. Children wear uniform to school. Here are some people in uniform who help us with their work. Nurse, firefighter, lawyer. You can see, children, they all are wearing their uniform. To showing their profession, to showing their work, to get identification, people wear their uniform so that you can identify that he or she is a nurse, he or she is a doctor, he or she is a firefighter, he or she is a lawyer. Understood, children? Children, we also wear uniform. You also wear uniform when we come to school. Understood? Children wear uniform so that everyone can find out that she or he going to this school. Now, in this picture you can see dentist, plumber, chemist, chef, firefighter, farmer, hairdresser, postman, teacher, police officer. All these people wear their uniform. If they not wear their uniform, you will not find out that he or she doing this work. So, showing their profession, showing their work, they have to wear uniform. If you can see policemen in normal dress, you can find out that he or she is a policeman or policewoman. No, they have to wear uniform, then only we can understand that they are policemen or policewoman. Understood? Now, recap shots. Cotton clothes, light clothes made up of cotton that are worn to keep us cool. Woolen clothes, heavy clothes made up of wool that are worn to keep us warm. Uniform, special clothes children wear at school and people wear at place where they work. Clothes cover our body and protect them from heat, cold, rain, dust, germs and insects like I explained you. We wear light cotton clothes when it is hot and warm, woolen clothes when it is cold. Understood, children? Now, here I will end my lesson. I hope you enjoyed. Take care.